Hello everyone, today I show you how to use bandana headscarf to make a mask. It is absolutely free movement. Let's check it out how to make it. In my first video, I made a ponytail. When I went to supermarket, I was worried about my scarf falling down, so I advise you to make a bun. It can be secure. Wash your hand before put on mask. Tie a knot over the hair bun. The hair buns must be in high position because bandana scarf is short. There is no support on the neck. Make sure filter well cover your nose and mouth. Fold the excess fabric like this. It can make a perfect fit even you don't have wire ties. Tie up the fabric in your chin. It can fix the filter. Don't get too tight, just fit on you is okay. Moving your head to try if this fits and secure. Now it's time to change the filter. Washing hands before and after changing filter. Separate clean hand and dirty hand. Use dirty hand, release the knot at the top. Take down the mask lightly. Beware, don't touch the mask inside. A lot of virus in the mask outside. Dirty hands keep holding the mask. Clean hand, take out old filter. Clean hand, replace a new filter. Make sure the filter well cover your nose and mouth. I suggest you wash the hand again after touching the knot because it is difficult to avoid touching your face when you adjust excess fabric. If your fabric mask is not ready yet, click the link below the screen. There are few links of mask making videos from other YouTubers. I will also make a videos to show how to make a fitting on your fabric mask. Wash your hand when you come home. Take off your mask and put it into the washing machine immediately. Then wash your hand again. Your shoes, phones, clothes, hair also bringing virus, so take shower and wash clothing immediately. Tissue paper to make filter is not ridiculous. How to find suitable tissue paper? How to make it more effective? Did you know toilets are dangerous places? How Hong Kong people use toilets and stay safe? What do we do in the toilet?